Exploring the beauty of nature. Alpine Meadow Explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a picturesque phrase in the English language, Alpine Meadow. We'll uncover its meaning, usage, and the imagery it evokes. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey through nature. Alpine refers to something related to high mountains, typically those above the tree line in the Alps or similar regions. It's often associated with landscapes characterized by rugged terrain and colder climates. When you hear alpine, think of towering mountains and a sense of elevation. A meadow is a piece of grassy land, often flat, used for hay or as pasture for grazing animals. It conjures images of open, green fields, often dotted with wildflowers and under the open sky. Meadows are peaceful, natural spaces, full of life and tranquility. When combined, alpine meadow describes a scenic, natural area found in high mountain environments. These meadows are known for their wildflowers, grasses, and a panoramic view of surrounding mountains. It's a term that paints a picture of an idyllic, serene, and breathtaking landscape high above the standard altitude. Alpine meadow is often used to describe a setting in literature, travelogues, and nature documentaries. It's a phrase that brings a sense of calm and natural beauty. In poetry or descriptive writing, it's used to evoke the tranquility and pristine nature of high-altitude landscapes. I hope this exploration of the phrase, alpine meadow, has been enlightening and enjoyable. It's a beautiful example of how language can capture the essence of nature's wonders. Until our next lesson, keep enjoying the beauty of the English language and the natural world it can describe.